Hi, Brenda here, coming to you live from our workout room. I have my husband Dennis behind the camera there.
Hello.
And I want to show you some workout room essentials. We have created, this was actually an extra storage room in our house that's 8 foot by 11 foot. And we actually remodeled it to make it into our own little home private gym. And it has the essentials of what you need to do a workout, especially the weight training workout that we recommend in the Live a Life Beyond program. The program is actually called Beyond Fitness. So here's what we need. We need a set of dumbbells. This is both Flex Select Tech dumbbells, and these come in adjustable weights, which are really nice. Now this is actually a men's size, so it's a little bit bigger than for women, but you can literally turn the weight to whatever you want, which is so nice, and be able to pick it up. And these go anywhere from 10 to 90 pounds, but they've got smaller ones that are actually even better yet. And then, so that's your dumbbells in the corner. You see it doesn't take up much space.
The other ones for women are called 552s. They go smaller, from 5 to 52 pounds.
Okay, 5 to 52 pounds. Yeah. And then a bench. This is about the most simple bench that you can get. You can find these really affordable on the internet at Walmart from $50 to $100. I do like having a bench that, that actually inclines a little bit to do incline, but you know what we'll do with this one is we'll take a chair actually and put the chair underneath it and set it up, and you can do incline presses for chest on that. Back in the corner here, just to do a little bit of stretching sometimes and a little muscle rehab, I'll use this foam roller, and you can get these at any kind of store too, Target or Walmart, or order them online. And I'll use them to roll over tight muscles in my legs or in my back. You actually set the roller on the floor and you actually move your body part over it, just with light to medium pressure. You could actually put a lot of pressure on areas that you don't need, so that's my health tip with the foam roller. And then in this space, we actually have a treadmill that fits kind of neat right back here, and so it's out of the way. And then we have a little TV in the corner, which is nice because obviously when you're working out, sometimes you want a little inspiration or something going on too. And in our workout room too, we added little window cutouts, so it's actually open to the rest of the house, so we can see what's going on with the kids and that sort of thing. But a pretty small workout area, but it's super efficient. It does everything that we need it to do. You'll see in our Beyond Fitness program, you can do cross training in here, you can do all your stretching in here, you can do your little weight training workout in here, and then with the extra cardio with the treadmill. And so that's it. You don't need a huge space, you don't need a lot of room, you don't need a ton of technical equipment. If you don't get the Bowflex dumbbells that stand in the corner, you can actually get just a few small sets. You can start with 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 15, 20. For women, you probably don't ever need to go over 25 pounds really. So you can buy a little rack to set those on. For men, you might need more weights than that, but this is all you need to get started.
Yeah, we literally did this in about an 8 foot by 11 foot room. Don't forget to have your husband put up some mirrors if you want. It literally, you would not believe how small this space feels. But if you take and just outline the room with mirrors on 3 of the walls, it totally expands the room.
Opens up the
You can
whole
take
area.
a tiny little space in your house, or just a bedroom if you have an extra bedroom, turn it into like a cool workout studio, your favorite music, a little TV, a couple windows really open it up in here for us too.
Yeah.
And we do have one other little thing that you might like for some. We do some hanging stretches off of, or for men, if you need a pull-up bar.
And that pull-up bar, you can literally order it from Target or Walmart. There's a couple screws that put it together, and it hangs right over the door frame. You can do pull-up exercises on it, or actually what we use it for is traction, which is just to go up there and let your body weight stretch the shoulders, stretch the rest of your spine, and low back out. So you can have a workout room in your house. You can take a corner of a bedroom, a corner of a basement, and make a room like this, and it could be everything that you need to get your essential workout done. So I hope this helps, and until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.